So yo guys, it's Sam. So today we're back with a new video, completely new video. So today I will be presenting you my dog Charlie. So he's a very cute dog, like unbelievably. We've got this new collar for him. It's like you know. So yeah, so I'm going to show you him now. So let's go. So yeah guys, so this is my dog Charlie. So I put overlight on because he's really bright on him. So as you can see, he's really cute. He's my little baby. Right, so this is his new little collar. It lights up. Not sure how. There we go. See it better now. So since it's a really dark dog, we can see him better with that colour on. Let's turn that off. Okay, so there we go. So I want you to leave a comment underneath to say if you think that he's a cute dog, and I want at least 3 likes on this one. So yeah, so he's the cutest dog ever. Like, you just want to squeeze him and call him stupid names like Chubby Bird and stuff like that. I know I'm mad. I've gone mad. Oh, my head. Sorry, I can't really dance that much. But it's taking me. Stop it. So yeah. So. Oh God, it's gone again. Sorry about that. It's just sometimes it always gets me like that. God, what am I thinking? They're not going to watch this. God, I'm so stupid sometimes. Oh yeah, I'm stopping YouTube now. Only kidding, guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was very short, I know. Well, I'm not sure how long it is yet, but we'll see. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like underneath. I want at least to get 3 likes on this video. If I get 3 likes, I will do another video on Charlie, him dressed up as some stupid thing. So yeah, so as always, it was Sam signing off.